All right, I'm going into the house. The bathroom is right here. This is the back side of the house. Going through the crawl space. Turn my light on. Wiggle my way through here. Hopefully you'll be able to see everything. All right. All right. So, whoops. So if I turn my light on here, what we're looking at is, I think it's right over here. So I think that that pipe, that white one, that let me take my glove off and zoom in here. So let me make sure I'm in the right spot. Yeah. So you got all this in the way here, but I think you can crawl under this and come in on this side to get over there. But I think where that pipe is, if I can go like this and zoom in. Oh, come on. And zoom in. Over there, I have to open up that pipe. So for you guys, I need you to cut this trunk, and I need you to repatch it back closed after they end up fixing this pipe. And this pipe is underneath the tub, and this trunk is in the way. Maybe I can crawl around. I'm gonna stop this video and then take another one when I get there.